Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Uh, we hope you are enjoying your day. So as you know, we are releasing various videos of products sold by India Enterprises on our channel. So in the current video, we are going to introduce uh, ISM 495, which is a continuous wrist strap monitor. You know, wrist strap is the first line of defense against static charge, and this continuous wrist strap monitor ISM 495 is required to test the static properties of wrist strap, whether the wrist strap is fine or not. That we can check with the help of this wrist strap monitor. So you will get this test equipment in the packing you are watching on your screen. So let's open this box first and see what contents are supplied along with this equipment. So you will get an operating manual with this test equipment. This is the AC-DC converter, which can be connected to the external power source and then to the this continuous wrist monitor. This is the ISM 495 main unit, the grounding cord. So let's see how we can connect the grounding wire and other connections. So let's connect the grounding cord first. You can insert this banana plug on the rear side of this wrist monitor, as you are watching on your screen, and then you can connect the crocodile clip to the external grounding point. Here this is the external grounding point. So we have connected this grounding cord to the external grounding point. Then we will connect the AC adapter. See, this is a 8-volt AC adapter. On one side it is connected to the external power source, and on the other side it is connected to the adapter socket. So now the connections are complete. We have taken here a wrist strap, so which is required to test the ESD properties. This wrist strap is not part of standard supply, and you can buy it at extra cost if required. So we need to remove the crocodile clip from the banana socket. See, we have removed the crocodile clip. Now we will insert this banana plug into the banana socket provided on the front side of this wrist strap monitor, and then we will wear the wrist strap. So the metal plate of wrist strap should touch the wrist properly, otherwise it will not give accurate reading. And now we will switch on the unit. See, you can see visual signal is there, visual LED. This green LED indication is it means that the wrist strap we are testing is absolutely fine for use. So suppose if we remove the wrist strap, then it will give a audible signal as well as visual signal. Yeah, you can see on your screen. If the wrist strap is not wear on the wrist, then the audible signal you can hear. It means that the strap is either faulty or it is not properly touching the palm or wrist of the operator. So this is how we can use this wrist strap monitor to test the ESD safe wrist strap. And if you found the wrist strap faulty, you can replace it with a new one and then check it again with the help of this wrist strap monitor. So this wrist strap monitor should be continuously on, and the wrist strap should be permanently connected to this monitor, so that the operator can uh, measure continuously the anti-static properties of wrist strap. And if it is found faulty, you can replace the wrist strap. So this is how this wrist strap monitor is used. So you are welcome to send your inquiries to buy this unit from us. So we will immediately get back to you, and our contact details will be shared on in the last of this video. So you can contact us. We will send you quotation along with the other details. So we hope you will like this video and other videos as well, those we are sharing. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.